I'm just messing around today. I'm gonna make me just a little barbecue fork, something like that. I already chiseled. I heated that up and flattened it down, and then chiseled through the middle. I'm just working on the tines now. This kind of work will make a man thirsty. Work on the handle part. That's about all I can do to it out here. I'll take it in my garage and sand it up a little bit. Anyway, just for a little meat hook, you know, to flip steaks or something like that on the grill. It's fun, man. Hey, I do not claim to be a blacksmith. Nothing I did here, you shouldn't try to duplicate anything I did here, because I don't do stuff the right. I mean, I've never been taught or anything, you know. I just watch YouTube videos. I watch Backyard Custom Knives. Eddie, he plays around his garage. He does stuff, and then my mentor and all forging stuff. You know, Dies in Every Film Customs. He just reached over 100,000 subs, man. So congratulations. Y'all should check both of those channels. I'll leave links to both of them down there if you don't know them already. Anyway, now all I need is a big steak, right? Anyway, see you later.